Hello all, what's up? Sergi here. How have you been? Today I have the app Match to Win Real Cash. This app has the rating of 4.3 in Google App Store. Let's dive in. First thing to check is minimum amount, which is $7. Seems not too big. Here's what the app is all about. You go level by level, solve the puzzles. When you start a new level, they offer you 3 features that can help you to complete a level. And these features you can get by watching ads or by paying with gold. And gold you can get in shop by paying with real money, which is not for us, because we are here to earn money, not to spend money. And another option is to install and play other apps. So after completing a level, sometimes they get you a scratcher, where you can win virtual money. Be realistic, you will not win huge amount. And most of the time, you will win coins, trophies, hearts, basically everything except virtual money. And when you win virtual money, most likely it'll be 5 cents. One time I got lucky and won $1. See this flying gift box? That is a scratcher too. And when you click on it, guess what's gonna happen? Obviously you have to watch an ad. Then you'll have a scratcher. By the level 61, I have earned $5.95. Sometimes they give you a chance to spin a wheel, but ads first, of course. I've done it many times through these levels, but I never won a cent. By the level 107, I have earned $6.55. I have played this app about a week or so, and it seems like I've been stuck with this amount of $6.55. I'm not winning any virtual money at all, so I'm not able to reach the minimum amount, and at this point I've given up, and I decided to check the reviews on Google Play Store. And here is where magic has happened. I have found many reviews stating that they have the same amount or about the same that I have been stuck with. Let's go through some of the reviews. Jen won $6.55. Tiffany $6.60. Nicolette $6.75. Some Google user $6.75. Catherine $6.55. Sherry $6.55. Ricky $6.55. Looks like this app has the logic, so you stop gaining virtual money at around this amount. So guys, if you won't just have fun playing this app with a bunch of ads, go for it. Otherwise, I would recommend to avoid this app. If you decided to check this app, leave a comment what amount you are stuck with. I hope this review has been helpful to you. Have a good day.